more coffee left when I checked it.
Oh, okay. There's a lot when I saw it.
Nah, bro, there's nothing left.
This is it?
I took a whole cup this morning. But I left the other stuff.
Oh,
All right, bro, we live.
Go.
Nope. Sac passé.
Sac passé. What's going on, guys? Welcome to AMICY Theory channel.
Who are you?
Bro, it's been so long.
I know. I don't know how to
Sac
start.
passé. What's going on, guys? My name's Alan.
And I'm Alex.
Welcome to AMICY Theory channel.
Guys, today we're going to be checking out a video that people have been requesting. It's called Hidden Magnetic Portals Around the Earth. Let's do what we don't know best, and I'm this video, guys.
Teleportation.
Let's get popping. This
Let's
guy.
get it.
Hidden Magnetic Portals Around Earth. Presented by Science.
I feel like there's just so much information out there that like we don't even know which ones to believe.
They're trying to set us up.
At NASA. A favorite theme of science fiction is the portal, an extraordinary opening in space or time that connects travelers to distant realms. A good portal is a shortcut, a guide, a door into the unknown, if only they actually existed. It turns out that they do, sort of, and a NASA-funded researcher at the University of Iowa has figured out how to find them. We call them X-points, or electron diffusion regions, explains plasma physicist Jack Scudder of the University of Iowa.
Confusion already
He's
happened.
gone missing.
They're places where the magnetic field of Earth connects to the magnetic field of the Sun, creating an uninterrupted path leading from our own planet to the Sun's atmosphere 93 million miles away.
There.
Observations by NASA's Themis spacecraft and Europe's cluster probes suggest that these magnetic portals open and close dozens of times each day. They're typically located a
way.
few tens of thousands of kilometers from Earth, where the geomagnetic field meets the onrushing solar wind. Most portals are small and short-lived. Others are yawning, vast, and sustained. Energetic particles can flow through the openings, heating Earth's upper atmosphere, sparking geomagnetic storms, and igniting bright polar auroras.
Like the
NASA
Northern
is
Lights.
planning a mission called MMS, short for Magnetospheric Multiscale Mission, due to launch in 2014 to study the phenomenon.
We're 2023.
Bristling with energetic particle detectors and magnetic sensors, the 4 spacecraft of MMS will spread out in Earth's magnetosphere and surround the portals to observe how they work. Just one problem: finding
So
them.
what's a problem?
Magnetic portals are invisible, unstable, and elusive. They open and close without warning, and there are no signposts to guide us in, notes Scudder. Actually, there are signposts, and Scudder has found them. Portals form via the process of magnetic reconnection. Mingling lines of magnetic force from the Sun and Earth crisscross and join to create the openings. X-points are where the crisscross takes place.
It's in the video.
Okay, like I can hear something in the background.
The sudden joining of magnetic fields can propel jets of charged particles from the X-point, creating an electron diffusion region.
So that's how
To
they come
learn how to
across.
pinpoint these events, Scudder looked at data from a space probe that orbited Earth more than 10 years ago. In the late 1990s, NASA's polar spacecraft spent years in Earth's magnetosphere, explains Scudder, and it encountered many X-points during its mission. Because Polar carried sensors similar to those of MMS,
What?
Dive in it.
Scudder decided to see how an X-point looked to Polar.
X-point. So like the
Using
line of
polar data,
intersection.
we have found 5 simple combinations of magnetic field and energetic particle measurements that tell us when we've come across an X-point or an electron diffusion region. A single spacecraft, properly instrumented, can make these measurements. This means that a single member of the MMS constellation, using the diagnostics, can find a portal and alert other members of the constellation. Mission planners long thought that MMS might have to spend a year or so learning to find portals before it could study them.
That makes sense.
Scudder's work shortcuts the process, allowing MMS to get to work without delay. It's a shortcut worthy of the best portals of fiction. Only this time, the portals are real.
How crazy
And with
that
the
is.
new signposts,
Right.
we know how to find them. For a portal to more NASA science news, visit science.nasa.gov.
Are they ever gonna give us information that's like, this is
Bro,
definitely?
I definitely think there's some in the North Pole. Is it the North Pole? No.
Because the Northern
Antarctica.
Lights.
I think they're in.
There's definitely
Antarctica.
something in
Antarctica.
I definitely think there's something.
It's too restricted. for
I
it
know.
not
They're
to
like,
be.
we're studying it. We don't care.
Or even, what is it, Area 51? There's got to be something in there.
I saw this video the other day that kind of got my mind thinking. It was like, this lady was speaking about it. She said that like, there's 3 different groups of, I guess, like beings that have essentially been using the Earth for experiments for like the last 800 million years or something like that.
3 beings?
Yeah, 3 different groups of people. I mean, like 3 different like sentient beings that they're all different from each other.
Now we got to dive into it. Now I'm
Guys, listen. Catch us in the next episode.
Catch us in the next.
Peace.
I